everyone, welcome to Rare Sands Lab. Today we're going to show you how to hand wash silk. It is the most sustainable, earth-friendly way to care for your garment, and they can last longer when done correctly. You will need a bowl of lukewarm and/or cool water, delicate detergent or shampoo, and towel. We recommend using lukewarm or cold water with light colors. Some silk, especially darker colors, bleed, so don't mix dark and light colors in the same wash, and use cool water on dark colors to be safe. This is from our Rare Sands Lounge collection silk cami short set. We're going to wash the cami, which is 100% fine silk, for our demo today. We're gonna soak the silk into the water and add a few drops. You don't need a whole lot of delicate detergent and or your shampoo, because silk is just like human hair. You can stir gently. You can soak for about 3 to 5 minutes. Do not soak for a long period of time, as this can cause excessive bleeding and or damage the fiber. And do not bleach. Gently lift garment up and down, in and out of water to remove dirt. Do not rub or twist a garment. Rinse under cold water until water becomes clear. Use a clean, dry towel to soak up the moisture. Again, do not rub or twist the garment. Gently pat the excess moisture from the garment. And you can gently shake the garment for excess water. You can now hang dry, but avoid direct sunlight. Once air dried, you can use the iron at the lowest temperature setting and iron the back side of the garment, and is as good as new. See you next time.